but in Windows 10, I think it will work definitely. So I think you have to go to this Windows Computer Management, Computer Configuration. Yes, working. So Prashant, can you just go to the gpa.msc, and under the gpa.msc, once you go to this computer configuration, so which I am showing on the this screen. So just can you just able to log into that settings? Under the computer configuration, there is a policy security settings. Under the computer configuration, go to the Windows setting. There is a security settings. Okay. So there you have to give that report. Okay. So or there is a, I'll be showing you one this thing tool also. So this is my tool actually, which we have seen in the morning, right? So what is the platform which we have given? So my platform is Windows 8.1 64-bit, right? So what I do is just this is a Syscat tool is for your basically I'm showing for the Windows, right? So drop down, go to the Windows this thing, go to the Windows setting. See, they're all available. See, like Kerberos authentication, Microsoft IIS, IIS 10, IIS 7, IIS 8. Even though you can also yeah, audit your Internet Explorer also. Okay. So such kind of things also is available. Suppose you want to audit Office 18, so everything is possible. So in my case, what I have done, 8.1 workstation. So 8.1 selected. Next profile is your level 1. So same thing which I explained in the morning, like suppose there is a level 1 is your work group kind of thing. Suppose the level 2 is your server for the domain kind of thing. Okay. So next, so it will be saved in C user admin my documents. Okay. So it will be saved in the location. Okay, let me just take the screenshot. Next, start assessment. Okay. So once the assessment starts, so it gives the results whether it is a pass or fail. Around 293 checks are there. But in case of Linux, you have seen how many checks? Sir, what profile we need to do? Yeah, we have to select a level 1 profile, sir. So I think all the checks, unless and until it gives 1 plus ng. What do you mean by 1 plus ng? Yeah, one, only one. Not BitLocker, only level 1. Can you please repeat the steps after gpa.msc? Yeah, after going to the gpa.msc, hello G. So what is the screen you got, sir? Can you just tell, did you got any computer configuration, this thing? You have to get the computer configuration that that interface should be visible. Okay. So once you got to the computer configuration, you have to go to the policies. Okay. Computer configuration and user, yeah, user config. Go to the securities and can you able to see, for me it is a 334 test. Yes, it will be 334 test. Okay. So what is the tool you are using, sir? Whether it is any Syscat Lite or Pro, sir? Okay. Yeah. So that depends, sir. Like I think it will work only for the Windows 10 only. Yeah. So under the securities, yeah, and Windows 10 Enterprise, correct. So for that, you can just go to that security settings. So are you able to go to security settings? Under the security settings, you have to go to the accounts, policies. Please tell me what is your policy, this thing. Okay. What is your enforced password history? So it will be like the default. What is the default it has to give? So your main headings will say ensure enforce password is set to 24 or more. Okay. That means like your password history should be set to 24 or more. It should not set to 24 or less. Okay. If it is a less, then it is a finding. That means your compliance is failed. That means your Windows hardening is failed in this case. Okay. So just we can just check it out here. View reports. Yeah, I'm just viewed the reports. See, this is my report actually. So if you want a executive report, yeah, so it's for me also it's fail. Yeah, basically like sir, if you harden your PC, no, so basically most of the things are failed actually. Okay, so here you can see what is your level of your score, whether it is a pass, whether it is a fail, and what is the percentage of it is. Yeah, mine is set to 0. 0 means you can hack at any time, sir. So I think it's a security point of view. I think you can harden it. Okay. So one by after coming to this, you can just click. Yeah. So it is in my case also it is fail, sir, because in my case it has been given enforce password history is set to 24 or more, right? So that means it is in my case also it is failed. Okay. So just what I will do means I'll just save page as. So I'm just saving this file into one of my this thing so that I can have a reference for it afterwards. Okay. So yeah, same here. Then coming to the next one. So what is the ensure maximum password age is set to 60. The minimum, the maximum password age should be 2 months or 60 days. I think you guys are connected in the Active Directory or it is a work group. Work group, right? I think domain, if you are controlled by domain, I think everything can be controlled from the domain PCs and the policies can be pushed from the centralized server. Okay, so not an issue. So I think if you had on with respect to this tool and with respect to the so this document which I've been open, no, I will just share this document also to you. So I think manually you can check each and every this harden of your PC and level of your PC, right? Okay. So yeah, so coming to the next point. So what is your maximum age of your password? What is in your case? In my case it is passed. Yeah. So in your case also it is passed. Great. So yeah, minimum password age is set to 1 or more days. So what is in your case? Because in my case it has been failed. That means my minimum password is set to something might be 0 or something might be more than 1. Okay, fail. So what is in your case? What is what is the value of yourself? Yes. So maximum 42, minimum 40, 0, right? Correct. So these are the some of the things are there. So you have to see, check and each and every level of your these things. Okay. So you can just check it out. What exactly what is the minimum values and all those things. So yeah, minimum password is set to 1. So I think in your case it is also fail. Yeah. So coming to the minimum password length is set to 14, right? So did you install this Bellark Advisor, sir? Everyone? Did you install the Bellark Advisor? So how many security benchmarks are there? I mean like missing security patches are there in your PC? Can you just elaborate it? Because in my case, none. Okay, none means great. So that means your PC is hardened. Yeah. So I think it has given very good result with respect to the this. Yeah. Someone is 2, someone is 6. Yeah. So you try to download those updates or hot fixes, sir. So that it is not mandatory like suppose it has a 2 updates. Okay. So might when you click the second one or first one, no, it might also increase. That depends upon your hot fixes. Okay.